In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to file your BOI report within a few minutes, step by step. So first you can come to this website. I will link it down below. And once you're on this website, you will see two different filing methods. One is to file by PDF, and the second method is to file online. So what we are going to do is to file online. So we are going to click here, prepare and submit BOIR. And if this is your first time submitting the BOI, so you would pick initial report. If you need to correct or update a prior report that you had submitted, then obviously you would choose the respective choices. So for now, we are going to pick initial report, and the date should already be auto-filled, and then you can click next. So here you want to check this box, request to receive FinCen ID. So we spoke about the FinCen ID. That's just like an ID that you can receive from FinCen that will make your filing in the future much easier. And then here you would just need to fill out your company's legal name. And if your business has any alternate name, for example, any trade name or doing business as name, this is where you would put down that information. For tax identification type, if you have an LLC, it's going to be an EIN. And here you would just simply fill out your EIN number. And then here we are going to select the country and jurisdiction of formation. We are going to select United States of America. And then we are going to select the state that we formed the LLC. And then come down here, input your address here. And when you're done, click next. So next you are going to answer if it's an existing reporting company. So if your reporting company was created or registered before January 1st, 2024, then you will want to check this box. And if your company was created or registered on or after January 1st, 2024, then you do not want to check this box. So for me, my LLC was created before January 1st, 2024, so I am going to check this. When existing reporting company is indicated, all company applicant fields will be cleared or disabled. Do you wish to continue? So hit yes. So this is part 2, which is the company applicant information. And since my LLC was created before January 1st, 2024, so I won't need to fill out this part. Now, in the event that your business is created after January 1st, 2024, then you would need to fill out this section. It will simply ask you for the company applicant's name, the address, and also the ID. So for right now, these are blanked out for me, and I will just come down here and click next. So the next section is the beneficial owner information. So we can scroll down, and in the future, when you have a FinCen ID, you can just enter the FinCen ID here instead of having to enter your information every time. So we can scroll down. Here you would just need to enter your legal name and also enter your date of birth and then enter your residential address. And we can scroll down, and this is where you can enter your ID information. So select an ID type. So I will select state issued driver's license, and then enter your ID number, and then select your ID issuing jurisdiction. So for me, it's United States of America, and then just select your state. And then here you would just need to upload an image of your ID. And when you're done, click next. So here's the last step. Scroll down. You would just need to enter your email and your first and last name. And then click on this checkbox, I agree. And then you can just click on submit BOIR. And then you'll see submission processing. And then you will see a submission status confirmation. And for status, it will say filing successful. You may download the transcript below. Does the BOI report have to be updated? The answer is yes. If any information that you submitted changes, you have 30 days from that change to update your BOI report. Now, for any reason, if you don't want to do this filing yourself and would rather hire someone to do it for you, you can go with Northwest Registered Agent. They offer a service to file your BOI report for just $25. So that's a really good deal if you don't want to go through the filing process. So that's a company that I would recommend if you were to hire someone to do it for you. So I'll leave a link down below if that's something that you want to take advantage of. So that's it for this video. I hope that was helpful. If you got value from this, consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below, and I hope to see you in the next video.